Hey out there, happy Monday. Hope your weekend was amazing. I went to the Brown House this morning, moving along nicely. Painting's gonna start happening, cabinets are coming in. But I was thinking about something else with the Brown House. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in previous videos, but I'm thinking about selling the Brown House. Usually I hold houses. That's what I want to do. I want to build wealth. I want to generate positive cash flow later on from these houses and also accumulate the appreciation, pay down. Oh, it's exciting stuff. But every once in a while I have to sell a house. Like in this particular one, I don't have any income coming in because I got Tom the contractor over there doing the work, which is great. It frees me up to go out and get new deals. But I don't have any money coming in. Usually I would do the hands-on stuff and then pay myself. Can't do that in this case. So where am I going to get income from? I guess I'll sell it. It's not going to be ready to be shown or even put coming soon or for sale sign on it for, I don't know, quite a while. I'm going to have to talk to Tom, but I want to make a good first impression before I put it on the market. However, I do have the numbers already. So if somebody's interested in either buying this house or another house, or they've been thinking about getting into real estate investing, I want to show you a way how you can get into it. That's the safest, easiest, least risk, and it's just amazing. It's house hacking. In this example, house hacking means you're going to live in the house for a year, and then you're going to move out and rent it out and keep it as an investment. This is the easiest way. Let me show you real brief how I came up with these numbers. This way, if you have, you know who this would be great for? Is if you had a kid that you want to help get into a house and build future growth or something like that. This is a great example. I have all the numbers here up on the board. I'm not going to go over all of them because I use the example of a conventional loan with 5% down payment for this information. But here's all the payments that you would have, monthly payments. These are real payments based on 2.875% interest or 3%, including taxes and insurance and mortgage insurance where it applies. These are the payments. And I forgot to tell you, the Brown House could rent for how much? $2,500 a month. So, house hacking. Let's say someone wants to move into a house. They're currently renting an apartment. They want to move into the Brown House. 5% down payment conventional loan. In 1 year, what's the Brown House going to be worth? I'm estimating $353,000. Where did I come up with that? Because that sounds high, doesn't it, Harry? That's 7% appreciation. That's half of what the current appreciation is in this area. I don't think the appreciation rate is going to stay that high, don't get me wrong, but I think in 1 year, I think we can expect 7% appreciation. That means you're going to accumulate quite a bit of equity in just 1 year. Now, I put this down just as an example. If somebody wanted to move into the house, live in it for a year, and then rent it out, you could accumulate over $40,000 in equity. Well, taking into consideration the down payment that you came up with. I'm going over this real fast, but if anybody out there is interested in it and they want more details, just let me know. Because the home equity line, I have an awesome credit union I use that goes up to 100% loan to value, best interest rates, no cost, easy to deal with. So I have that contact. But back to this. Let's say you hold on to the house or your kid holds on to the house. They come out of pocket $16,500 for the down payment on this loan. Their mortgage payment, including everything, principal, interest, taxes and insurance, and mortgage insurance because it's only 5% down, you're all in for $1,750 per month. You could rent it out for $2,500. That's $750 a month positive cash flow. Now I'm taking into consideration about $2,200 a year in miscellaneous stuff. You're going to have to pay the water for the tenant. Maybe there's some maintenance issues and stuff like that. That creates a cash on cash return of 41%. You're making 41% on your initial investment of $16,000 after you live in it for a year. I mean, does it get any better than this? This is an awesome deal. If you're interested, let me know.